Hi, Cancers. Welcome to your zodiac reading. So, this is going to be for you guys for August 1st to the 15th. So, if you've been following my channel, you would know how I do this. I'll first be looking at the current energies, basically what's going on with you at present, and basis that, if that resonates with you, you know, then watch the outcome. So, this is a general reading, guys. It may or may not resonate with you, and plus, it's a zodiac collective. So, there are chances that it might not. But why I check on the present energies is just so that we get to know whether you are resonating with the situation that I'm picking up. All right. So, let's begin. Let's see what are your energies at this point, or what's going on with you, Cancers. Cancer current energies. What's happening, Cancers? Judgment, Four of Pentacles, Knight of Sword. You have to break free from something, or you're feeling like breaking free from something. Now, what that something is, you got to figure that out. Okay. So, I am seeing a sense of awakening to the truth in terms of knowing that you have to break free from this. You change something up, like maybe your feelings or just something that was inside you is suddenly coming out. Now, this could be some sort of a pain, also, Cancers. You're a water sign, you're an emotional person. So, if you trap your emotions for too long or you keep it all inside you, then it becomes a tough task. All right. Now, I am having said that, I'm seeing that it's like a little complex for you at this point. In terms of waking up to this truth, also has been quite difficult for you. Okay. I am seeing that you as an individual, okay, you could be bottling things up, maybe because of societal pressure. Maybe you feel that you're not capable enough to share it at this point. Maybe you just can't open up right now. Maybe that can be the reason. I'm seeing that it can't be held on anymore. You have to rush out with it. What is this rushing out? Let's clarify that. Ace of Cups. Something that you had been waiting for, okay? Something that you knew is going to come has come. And for that, you have to break free from this chain. And that is what is happening. I think you're still in the process of getting the courage to break free, or something around those lines is what I'm picking up. Okay? So if this resonates, let's see what's coming up for you in the next 15 days. Cancer. Next 15 days, Cancerians. Two of Pentacles, Four of Chalices, which is Four of Cups, the Empress, and the King of Swords. Okay. So here what I'm picking up for you guys, Cancerians, please ignore the sound in the background. There's some construction work going on, which has been going on forever. But yeah. Okay. Look, I think you have the answer, okay? What you're doing is you're giving the situation a lot of benefit of doubt. You keep giving the benefit of doubt, and it's because of your nature, as in, like, you probably could be this Four of Pentacles situation that is trapped, okay? Maybe there is a connection that you're in, or a marriage, or whatever, or just in general, if it's if it's at workplace, this situation doesn't need your patience anymore. You have to be strong and just cut it off. Have to be blunt. You have to learn to be a little more. I know problems are there, but you will have to take a stand for yourself. If you don't, then it will take a toll on you. It will take a toll on you on a very major level, and at that time, then it will become complicated. So, what I'm seeing is that you're giving it benefit or doubt, and you keep going back in circles, and you know that this is not the solution. You know this, okay? But going in circles will only, it's not taking you anywhere. Okay, it's not taking you anywhere. You have to be blunt, you have to share it out, and you have to say it. Being blunt is the solution here. King of Swords and Knight of Swords. You have to rush in with your truth. Enough you have suppressed this. Whatever the situation is for you, Cancers, you would know. Okay? Let's see what is the advice for you from the universe. What is the advice for you from the universe? Cancerians. Fulfillment of wishes. Discontent and boredom. Alright. So you are in a phase in your life right now where there is something right in front of you. Like, for example, you're hungry. Okay? And the food is right there. Now you got to walk till there and pick up that plate and eat. So that's what the universe has done for you. You wanted something, that thing is here. Now you got to walk and get it for yourself. You get it? If you don't, then accept it that your life continues to be the way it is. It will not change. Maybe you've been feeling very bored and discontent and not happy. Okay, so if you don't accept this, then your life continues to be like that. Now it's a choice. Now use your wisdom to understand if you really want this or not, because life doesn't give you too many chances. And in this situation with you, okay, you've gotten a chance. Now, do you want to accept this thing or you don't want to? It's up to you. It's up to you whether you want to accept this or not. Okay, this option has been kept open to you from the universe. In the next 15 days, I think if you don't make this decision, then this will go. Alright? Because it's like a dream come true. Something that you had been waiting for is right here. Now, you got to walk at least and get it. I mean, the example that I gave you, that you have to walk till where the food is there and pick up the plate and eat it. Because the food has been presented to you from the universe. Now, you can't expect the universe to come and feed you also, right? So that is what I'm picking up for you guys, Cancers. I hope this reading resonates. Also, private readings are open, so you can reach out to me. Details are there. And guys, I have 2 channels on Instagram. One is for crystals, the other one is for tarot. If you're interested in both, you can check both out. On the tarot page, I do daily collective check-ins, so you might like that as well. And on the crystal page, it's all about crystal information, which crystal would suit you as per your situation. If you believe in crystal healing, then that page is for you. Alright, Cancers, so that's what I have. I hope this resonates. Take care. Bye.